Dear all, we had exercise in practical today. When we started the session, number of students could not join and started sending messages on the WhatsApp group with the same repeated message. In spite of my request that we are recreating the link, messages kept on pouring. When we could join back, I told you that while I was giving presentation on patience, in actual life, how quickly we lose patience. In life, we all encounter unexpected challenges, and if we get rattled immediately, we will neither be happy nor be successful. Let this be a lesson for us in practice. I took questions that were sent to me in Google Doc the previous day and replied about how alternate end to Othello and Hamlet could have worked and how different strategy is required for different situation. I explained in reply to another question on failure in spite of having passion and purpose, and explained that what we lack is generally patience because we carry truckloads of expectations on us. I gave an example of a monk who carried the lady on his shoulder. I also replied a question on altruism and how even altruism also has a motive as it gives us a feel-good factor. I explained how if our happiness makes others happy too, we should not worry. Continuing with previous presentation, I gave an example of a falcon which refused to fly because of a comfort of branch on which it was perched. The moment the branch was cut, the bird had to learn how to fly. Being in comfort zone can be limiting, and it doesn't enable us to brace the challenges. We talked about how it is easy to be misguided by the success of others and treating them as superheroes or divine. If we do this, actually we are giving up on working like them. I gave examples of Sachin Tendulkar or Kohli or Amitabh, how they actually worked and found their way up. They actually took blame head on too. We also talked about not believing that some people are simply lucky to be successful. I explained how life throws opportunities to all, and those who pick them up look lucky to us. But then you and I can also be there, provided we grab the opportunity at the right time and work hard. I told the story of a growth of a fern and a bamboo tree. The tree of bamboo takes seemingly eternity to grow, but inside it is spreading its roots deeper. For a leader, patiently developing the foundation is very essential. We stretched lecture for extra 10 minutes to compensate for the previous glitch. We had a busy first week. It's time you relax and have a happy weekend and introspect and analyze the discussions we had. Take care and see you next week. Bye.